One verb, many uses. Let's see a verb today. Have. Have. Instead of many other verbs, you can use the verb have. நிறைய வேர்ப்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக have என்ற வேர்பை நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். Let's see what are them. First one, own or possess, உரிமை. For example, I have a bike. I have a bike. So what's it? I own a bike. என்னிடம் ஒரு பைக் உள்ளது. இதை நீங்கள் I have a bike என்று சொல்லலாம். Number 2, eat or drink. Instead of these two verbs, you can use have. For example, I had breakfast. Instead of I ate breakfast, you can use I had breakfast. Next, he has tea every evening. He drinks tea every evening. Instead of that, you can use he has tea every evening. Number 3, experience or feel something. For example, I have a headache. I have a headache. She had a bad experience. So we are talking about an experience. I have had a nice time. Got it? Number 4, take. Take an action or some activities. For example, bath, rest. Take bath, take rest, take a walk, take a look. See some example sentences. I had a bath in the morning. Please have a look. Please have a look. Let's move on. Number 5, need or must. It means when we're talking about an obligation or கடமை, நான் செய்யணும் என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய விஷயத்தை நீங்கள் have to என்று சொல்லணும். I have to study for the exam. I have to study. I have to play. I have to cook lunch. Have to itக்கு பிறகு V1 form of verb யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Number 6, the last one, receive or get. பெற்றுக்கொள்ளுதல். I had a gift. I had a gift. எனக்கு ஒரு gift கிடைத்தது. நான் அதை பெற்றுக்கொண்டேன். She has good news. அவளுக்கு good news கிடைச்சது. So you can use have instead of many other verbs. Here's a recap. Own, eat, drink, experience, feel, take an action or some activities. Need, receive or get. These are the verbs that can be replaced by the verb have. Use it in your conversations so that spoken English will become much easier. Don't rush into hard words. Try to use simple verbs and talk English fluently. Let's meet again with another lesson.